Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your driver and passenger seat out of your Nissan Z. Alright, so first things first, I always like to scoot the seat all the way forward. And the reason that I like to do it forward is because you have to pop these caps off right here. There's caps covering the bolts, and under the bolts is 14s. Alright, so you can either like pinch and pull to pop those off, and if your fingers are feeling tired that day, just kind of get under there with a little clip remover and pop it, and then you'll see the 14 is exposed. So that comes out like that, and then there's one other bolt back here. And I always just leave the caps and the bolts under the seat because they are specific. You don't want to just put random 14s in there. And then now I will scoot the seat back, and that gets the seat over the track, and then the front ones are going to be exposed. And then we'll go over to the driver's side and take that out. And the reason I'm not removing the seat yet is because I still need the power from the car. I need to unplug the battery before I unplug the seats. So we'll get these all loose. This can kind of wait over here for us. And now we'll go to driver's side. Cool, then same thing on the driver's side. We're going to scoot the seat all the way forward. Same thing, we'll scoot the seat back, get those seats over the rails. Pop that off. All right, now all the 4 bolts on each seat are out. We're gonna open the hood and we're gonna disconnect the battery. The seats have airbags in them. And whenever you're dealing with airbags, you want to kill power to the car. And then we had already loosened this, so that's why that's loose. But if you're taking this off, that's a 10 mil to loosen this. Just put a rag in between there. And the way I do it is I'll lift them forward a little bit and then kind of out at the same time, because you need to be able to see under the seat. Okay, and then you can kind of see it right here. There's this yellow clip. This is just pinched onto the bottom of the car. I'd rather take this off than break this clip. And once that's free like that, I'll put my clip remover in and I'll walk it down. And that makes it so you don't break your clip either. And then for this airbag one, you're going to slide it that way. That pops right out. All right, there you go. You can see the harness is completely free. And then getting the seat out, we're gonna angle it towards the inside of the car. And then what I like to do is I'll grab one of the rails right here and I just walk it out like this. And there you go. Driver's seat is out. And let's go do the same thing to the passenger side. Alright, so I'm going to lift the seat up. And the reason you lift up is because the rail actually has dowel pins. Alright, so here's that yellow clip that I was talking about. Alright, so I have my clip remover in here. We're going to, obviously this is, you can't really avoid that. It'll still mount in there just fine. Alright, and that is everything. So same thing, kind of roll the seat forward, tilt it in towards the car, get that outer rail out. Alright, and that is how you remove your seats out of your Nissan Z.